Kalinga Parish. And now, I'm Heart and...
Ako po si Kuya Luis.
And we are your MC for tonight, and this is Bibong Bulilit. How about we start our evening with a round of applause, please? Bigyan naman po natin ng isang malakas na palakpakan lahat ng candidates natin ngayon. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. So yan, habang pumapalakpak kayo, syempre ang ating mga Bibong Bulilit, ready na ba kayo na makita ang ating mga candidates? Oh, walang sumasagot. Ready? Hindi namin kayo marinig. Ready na ba kayo?
Alright, thank you. But for now, to give us some guidance for the night, would like to call on our Father Wilson B. Olea to give us an opening message and a guidance for all throughout the night. Father, we'd like to invite you po here po to give us some guidance po.
You should pray that you should do, you were gonna winner in this contest, okay?
Hello po, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Naisi lamang to para makapagsimula tayo ng maaga. So muli, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. At sa mga bata, tandaan natin na ito po ay hindi kompetisyon. So huwag nating isipin ang ating gagawin ngayon ay kompetisyon. Ano po, kundi ito ay celebration. Celebration ng mga biyayang tinanggap natin. Lalong-lalo na ang biyaya ang talento ay isang biyaya. Kaya suportahan natin ang mga batang sa kalahok ngayon. Lalong-lalo na doon sa mga magulang. Masubugin natin ang talento ng mga batang ito. At nawa ang mga talentong ito ay maging daan sa paglilingkod ng mga batang ito sa simbahan. Kasi nilapit niyo po ang mga batang ito sa simbahan. At maraming salamat.
Alright, thank you po, Pads. Thank you po, Father. No po, dahil meron na tayong guidance all throughout the night, so mag-i-enjoy na lang tayo. Pero bago yun, we would like to call on our Kapitan Sammy DG Reyes po to give us a mensaheng pagbati po, Kap. We would like to invite you po.
Bigyan po natin ng
si
masibang
Kap.
palakpakan ng ating kapitan.
Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.
Father Wilson Olea. Palakpakan naman po natin si Father.
Ayan ang ating kagawad, Melanie Mabagos. Palakpakan po natin.
And also po, Reverend Jordan po. Sila and...
At ang ating pinakamasipag na punong barangay. Ay, hindi pala. Pero thank you pa rin po dahil nandito pa rin po ang ating kapitan. Palakpakan po natin, Sammy DG Reyes.
So alam na po natin yung mga magiging judges po natin for the night. Alamin po natin kung ano naman po magiging criteria for judging naman po natin. Okay, Kuya Luis, ano po ating mga criteria for judging?
Para sa Bibong Talento, meron tayong 40%. Bibong Talino, 30%.
Bibong Charisma, 25%.
Bibong Suportado ng Masa, 5%.
With a total score of 100%.
100%.
To formally start our program, ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo? Ready na. So ngayon po, magbibigay po sa atin ng production number ating mga candidates sa Bibong Bulilit. Ready na kayo? Bigyan naman natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan.
Yeah!
Okay, tinatawagan na po natin ang ating mga candidate for their production.
Umagang kay ganda ang time. Ayan! Palakpakan po muli natin ang ating mga participants ng Bibong Bulilit!
Masih.
Ano na yan?
Game start!
Palakpakan
So ayan, nakita ninyo na ang kakyutan ng ating mga contenders, mga participants ngayong gabing ito. So ayan, pakilala natin kung sino sila. So ang ating contestant number 1,
To introduce themselves, tawagin po natin ang contestant number 1.
ayan, opa, candidate number 1, anak sa ni Juicy, anak sa ni Marites, apo siya ni Laila, o yan na.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Janelle Vivawaril, 5 years old. I believe pag may batang makulit, I get si Mama.
Yeah! Pose, pose.
Our contestant number 2.
Red heart, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight make me crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Ang ating candidate number 2.
Maxine. Maxine po. Maxine. Maxine. Reason for your soul. I believe in saying always are you best.
Okay, palakpakan natin ang candidate number
Thank you,
2.
candidate number 2.
Candidate number 3.
Our candidate number 3.
Gonzaga. 6 years old. Lead.
Palakpakan natin si candidate number 3 at ang ating candidate number 4.
Happy Fiesta, everyone! My name is Queen Audrey Vistolas Roca. I'm 6 years old. I live in Phase 5, Package 2. May kasabihan po tayo, kung ayaw mo maghirap, ikaw ay magsikap. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ikaw naman.
My name is Miguel Lamarinas. I'm Far East at Nipes 5.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 5. Next. Ay, baba.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you treat me like I need you now? See tomorrow, tonight,
Our candidate number 6.
just meet me at the
My name is Katie Faith A. Carino. I am 7 years old. I believe ang batang mabait ay mahal ng Diyos.
Thank you very
I believe God is very good.
Thank you, candidate number 7. So, ayun po yung ating mga candidates for the night. So, meron na ba kayo napiling candidate? Wow! Grabe naman bibong talento ng ating first candidate. Ba't napakatalento pala ng mga bata sa Bagong Silang. Thank you, candidate number 1.
Tawagin na natin ang next candidate. Candidate number 2, Max Drill Racing C. Cachuela. So, anong talent mo?
If they ask you what your talents,
Okay po, again, once again, bigyan naman po natin isang palakpakan para sa ating second candidate, Max Real Racing C. Cachuela. Bigyan po natin siya ng isang malakas na palakpakan.
Mommy, give me the stretches. Stretchy like this. It's very stretchy. I like it stretches.
taking video.
Maxine. Police.
Bye!
Luis Angelo Gonzaga. I'm 6 years old. High fives. Taktoy no nabigay ito mo. Taktoy no nabigay ito mo. O isoy taktabi do. Bide o bitaktoy na ibigay. Isoy ay ito mi. Okay na yun na singsigaw. Okay nandun takaba. Palunes lumay pulis. Sige na kahapit na. Yay so tukarakado. Sige yung gade. Tubidito. Wamaya. Bolo chinay.
talent mo?
Yeah, oh.
Wait lang. Yung mga parents... Ayan, sige, wait lang. Wait lang po. Yung mga parents po, si and Raka.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when the lights seem pale and blue, how I wish you're here beside me. Here to stay by all I do. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. I kiss me in the morning. I kiss me in the night. I kiss me in the daytime. I kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me, will be mine. Kiss me, darling, with all your mind. I kiss me in the morning. I kiss me in the night. I kiss me in the daytime. I kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me, will be mine. Kiss me, darling, with all your mind. When I feel so sad and lonely, when the lights seem pale and blue, how I wish you're here beside me. Here to stay my all I do. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. I kiss me in the morning. I kiss me in the night. I kiss me in the daytime. I kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me, will be mine. Kiss me, darling, with all your mind. I kiss me in the morning. I kiss me in the night. I kiss me in the daytime. I kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me, will be mine. Kiss me, darling, with all your mind. Kiss me, darling, with all your mind. Kiss me, darling, with all your mind. Kiss me, darling, with all your mind.
Palakpakan natin, Queen HJV and Raka! Grabe. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling. Ang galing-galing. Ang galing talaga, grabe. Okay.
Mukhang kakanta siya, may pom-poms eh.
Mukhang
Joke
kakanta
lang.
siya. Sige. Okay, yung Sigma Boy daw. Palakpakan mo ulit natin ang ating candidate number 5, Rishi Mikhail A. Romanilios.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Party, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. what's the boy? Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Я такая вся, что ты пиваться будешь. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. И я такая вся, что ты пиваться будешь год. Sigma, Sigma.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Thank
Okay
you.
na po. Palakpakan po natin siya.
Thank you, Rishi, Mikhail Romanillas. Kathleen Faith E. Carino. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ay, grabe ang fans. Ang daming fans.
Mommy, why does ocean this like? Mommy, why does
Like a carrot. Yeah.
Nothing you know I got so nervous I couldn't speak in my paranoid I found the one my life is fine.
You're number 7.
It's a peace. So as long as I live, I love you. There's nothing more to do. You're so beautiful, you are. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You're so beautiful, you are. Tonight. All we have is time, my love is endless. When with this ring, I say to the world, you're my everything. Your love is leaving when you're my heart may never run. So as long as we're around you. So beautiful you are, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You're so beautiful you are. Tonight. You look so beautiful you are. So beautiful you are tonight. And love is walking to her. I hope she has her mind. I know I do. Yeah, she doesn't love her like you. I hope you touch her heart. She is so beautiful. You look so beautiful, you are. So as long as I love you, will never love you. You look so beautiful, you are. You look so beautiful, you are. So beautiful you are tonight.
Grabe ang fans. Alright. Now we're down to our last candidate, Bibong Bolilit, who will share his talent to us. May I call on Moshi Asada. Grabe rin ang mga fans. Singing, you're talking singing.
Love me with all of your love me with all of your I still love you. Just promise me, dear, that you'll give me all your kisses. Every winter, every summer, every fall. Oh, when you're near me, love me with all of yours. I still love you. Don't leave me for love, for a moment, for an hour. Love me always, that's all of me, from the start. Don't leave me for love, for a moment, for an hour. Love me always, that's all of me, from the start. When you broke my heart, oh, when you're near me. Love me with all of yours. I still love you. Don't leave me for love, for a moment, for an hour. Love me always, that's all of me, from the start.
Wow! Thank you, Bibang Bulilit number 7, Moshi Asada. Grabe ang mga talent ng mga Bibang Bulilit. Mukha lang silang mahihiyain pero grabe naman mag-perform at magpakita ng talent. So now, to give them time to rest, to prepare for the next segment po natin, which is the question and answer portion. Ngayon po muna magbibigay sa atin ng isang intermission number, the winner of the Dance of the Decades. Last 2 days ago. March 14. Ayan, ating winners. Sambayanan number 3. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan?
gentlemen.